Hello, good day, and welcome. I will be solving NECO 2019 Office Practice Past Question 20. The following facts are to be ascertained before purchasing office equipment except A. Attractive colors, B. Availability of spare parts and technicians, C. Cost of installation, D. Its essence in the office, E. The standard of the equipment. So let's pick an option which is not a fact that is to be ascertained before purchasing any office equipment. Now, it is important that when purchasing any office equipment, we know what we are able to ascertain that there is a spare parts. Now, option B says availability of spare parts and technicians. We must be able to ascertain that what this is spare parts. That is, if any part of this machine or this equipment gets spoiled or broken, at least it should be what replaceable. And we should ensure that what is a person that is a technician that specializes in this equipment that can help. C say cost of installation. It's also important we would take note of the cost of installation. So it is a fact to be ascertained. This is its essence in the office. Yes, before purchasing any office equipment, we must know its essence, that is its usefulness in the office. And E says the standard of the equipment is also a fact to be ascertained, because every equipment to be purchased must be of good quality and good standard. So the standard of the equipment is actually important. It is a fact to be ascertained. A here now says attractive colors. Attractive color is not actually a fact to be ascertained. That is, it is not really important to check out for the colors before purchasing any office equipment, because the color does not add to any value to this equipment. So therefore, the answer to this question is option A. It is not a fact to be ascertained. It is not a fact, and that is the answer. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.